Cues were looking weak, but let's kickstart the show with just that then. And Shreyansi, global cues continue to look weak, and US handover, once again is not very good. Nasdaq is also down once again. Take us through it.
Well, absolutely. It was definitely a losing day on the Wall Street. So when you look at the handover coming in, first let's take a look at what US futures are doing, and not doing all that much. Dow Jones industrial average futures fell by just about 0.1%. S&P 500 futures as well, and Nasdaq 100 futures as well fell by just about 0.2% thereabout, and traders are still digesting the latest company earnings results. So be it Dell Technologies that tumbled 16% after its first quarter results beat expectations. Even after that, and then when you look at Zscaler as well, you're looking at a surge coming in of about 14%. And when you look at MongoDB, there's a plunge of 23% that we saw, and apparel retailer Gap as well surged 21% on the other side, while you did have Nordstrom sliding more than 6%. So quite a mixed bag there of earnings, if you will say that. And when you look at Wall Street, like I mentioned, losing session coming in for all the three indices. So when you look at Dow Jones, you're looking at losses of about 300 points or 0.9% thereabout for Dow Jones, and this was of course after Salesforce missed that revenue expectation in its latest results as well. When you look at S&P 500, then you're looking at losses coming in of 0.6%, and the Nasdaq as well fell about 1.1%. And those moves of course come during a holiday shortened trading week as well. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq composite were each on pace to end 5-week winning streaks. When you look at Dow as well, you're looking at the second straight week of losses as well coming in for the Dow, and that is the trend that you're seeing right now. But when you take a look at what the momentum is in terms of the entire month, the picture is quite different, because stocks are still on pace to close out a strong month, with each of the average benchmarks set to register a 6th positive month in 7. The Dow is up 0.8% this month. When you look at S&P 500 as well, you're looking at gains of 4% on the month, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq as well gained about 7%, on track for its best month since November 2023, when it gained 10.7%. So that largely is the handover coming in based on this particular month. And of course, what you're looking at is the personal consumption expenditure data. So that would be definitely key to watch, and that will be something that the market will be reacting to as well. Now,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.